Alright y'all, we just got out on the new Newport Skiff here, and we are going to be trying to catch a massive tarpon in this thing today. We're gonna rig up a crab and see if we can't sight fish a massive tarpon. Alright, we're tarpon fishing today, and we are using a Piscifun Elijos 400XH on a St. Croix 8-foot extra heavy musky premier rod. This is my go-to tarpon setup, and we're gonna see if we can't hook into a big tarpon today. There's some tarpon rolling right up here. Let's see if they are hungry. Yeah, they're hungry. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, that was crazy! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh, that was the craziest fishing clip I've ever got! Oh my god! Oh, here he comes again, and there he goes. Oh my Lanta. Bro. That was the highest tarpon jump I've ever seen. I think it was like 15 feet in the air. Oh, holy. I'm shaking. Heart's pumping out of my chest. Big one just rolled right there. See if anyone's interested. They're rolling everywhere this morning. Right here. Big tarpon rolling right towards the crab right now. This should be the money. This should be the money. Yep. Got him. Giant. Absolute giant tarpon. Absolute giant. Absolute giant, guys. It's a monster. It's a monster. Oh my. On the new Skiff. This is what it's all about, man. Look at that fish. Monster tarpon. And there she goes. Off she goes. Whew. Man, what a fight. There he is. Let's see if we can get our hands on this one here. That shit never gets old. So what I'm gonna do is just use the engine here to motor this fish, hopefully, into the shallow water up here, if I can. Yeah. Oh, turn your head. Turn your head. It's all right. She's swimming off good. Landing these fish, guys, is super challenging when you're by yourself. And these fish are both over 100 pounds there, so there's not much I can do. I try and get their head turned and get them close enough to where I can grab them. She kept running away from me, and yeah, but that was so insane, those first couple jumps. So much fun, man. It's unbelievable. Absolute giants. They're gonna smoke this. They're gonna smoke this, dude. They have to. One's gotta smoke it. My heart is pumping out of my chest so damn hard right now. Got him! Yeah, baby. Come on. Oh, that was so sick. That was so sick, dude. Oh, yeah. It's coming up. Absolutely incredible. There we go. Giant tarpon, baby. There she goes. We just landed 100+ pounder, the Newport NS130, and she swam off super strong. She was biting my hand real good. I'm sweating to death. That was like a 15-minute fight. These fish are so dang strong. So dang freaking strong, man. I can't even put into words how much I love these fish. That was a grueling battle, man. Grueling battle, and they're starting to roll again right in front of me, so it's time to get back in the fight. Back in the fight. Back in the fight. Two big ones just rolled right there. Yep. Oh my. Oh my God. Chase this fish down a little bit. Every fish I've hooked today has been an absolute giant. Look at that freaking fish, man. I know she don't want to be shallow. It's so tough, man. I've only ever really landed 5 or 6 and got in the water with them. I've hooked plenty, but didn't land those. I don't know. Alright, y'all, well, I think that is going to do it for me today. I'm worn out. I hooked 5 fish. They were all over 100 probably, and I mean, these fish are half the size of the dang, you know, inflatable boat that I'm in. And this thing is badass though. I mean, It's stable. I was standing up fishing on it all morning long. It has a lot of, it's long, has a lot of room. You can get in and out of it easily. It's super stable. The engine's quiet as hell. It really is, like, for sneaking up on the tarpon especially, because these fish are super old and they're smart. I mean, it's perfect. And like, I can fight the fish and navigate the tiller at the same time pretty easily too. So this is the mecca of inshore fishing. Kayak fishing, tarpon are, I mean, there's nothing better. They leave me speechless after every trip. Whether I hook one or not, I just love them, man.